Look up at the night sky, what do you see? Pinpricks of starlight against a vast black canvas. It's easy to think of space as empty, a cosmic vacuum, but this, my friends, is an illusion. Space is far from empty. It's a bubbling cauldron of invisible forces, unseen particles, and mysterious energies. We often imagine space as the backdrop to the cosmic drama, a passive stage where stars are born and galaxies collide. But space is an active player in this drama. It's teeming with more than meets the eye, a cosmic ocean filled with exotic ingredients we're only beginning to understand. So, what is space actually made of? What are the building blocks of this seemingly empty vastness? Buckle up, space cadets, as we embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of the cosmos and explore the true nature of space. Let's begin with what's familiar. The stars, planets, and even we ourselves are all made of matter. This ordinary matter is composed of atoms, the tiny building blocks of everything we see and touch. Atoms are further divided into protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons and neutrons huddle together in the atom's nucleus, while electrons whirl around them like planets orbiting a star. This ordinary matter, the stuff of stars and stones, makes up only a tiny fraction of the universe. Think of it this way. If the entire universe were a cake, ordinary matter would be just a sprinkling of sugar on top. The cake itself, the vast majority of the universe, is made of something else entirely. Now let's delve into the shadows of the cosmos, where we encounter the enigmatic presence of dark matter. This mysterious substance doesn't emit, absorb, or reflect light, making it invisible to our telescopes. We know it's there because of its gravitational pull. Like a cosmic phantom, dark matter's gravity tugs on galaxies, holding them together in ways ordinary matter alone cannot explain. Imagine a ghostly hand holding our Milky Way together, its presence felt but never seen. Dark matter makes up a whopping 85% of the universe's matter content. It's the invisible scaffolding upon which galaxies are built and cosmic structures are sculpted. Scientists are still striving to unlock its secrets, but one thing's for sure. Dark matter reminds us that the universe holds mysteries far grander than we can currently fathom. Section 4. The universe's accelerant, the enigma of dark energy. But wait, there's more. Not only is the universe filled with unseen matter, but it's also expanding at an accelerating rate, driven by a force even more mysterious than dark matter, dark energy. Imagine baking a cake and watching in astonishment as it expands faster and faster, as if pushed by some unseen force. That's what's happening to our universe, and dark energy is the culprit. This enigmatic energy is thought to permeate all of space, acting like a cosmic anti-gravity, pushing everything further and further apart. Dark energy makes up a staggering 68% of the universe's total energy density, making it the dominant force shaping the cosmos's destiny. Section 5. A quantum sea, the restlessness of empty space. Even the emptiest regions of space, devoid of stars and galaxies, are far from being inert. At the smallest scales, the universe is a chaotic sea of quantum fluctuations, a never-ending dance of particles popping in and out of existence. Imagine a pot of water simmering on a stove. Even when the water appears still, tiny bubbles constantly form and disappear on the surface. Similarly, in the vacuum of space, virtual particles are constantly being created and annihilated, borrowing energy from the universe and then quickly paying it back. These quantum fluctuations, though fleeting, have real consequences. They contribute to the energy density of space and may even hold clues to the universe's ultimate fate. Section 6. A universe of mysteries beyond the veil of the known. So what is space made of? It's a cosmic tapestry woven from ordinary matter, the invisible hand of dark matter, the expansive push of dark energy, and the restless dance of quantum fluctuations. We've journeyed from the familiar realm of atoms to the frontiers of cosmic mystery. We've peered into the shadows of the universe and glimpsed the forces that shape its destiny. And yet, for all our discoveries, we've only just begun to scratch the surface. The universe is an endless source of wonder, a cosmic ocean teeming with secrets waiting to be unlocked. So keep looking up, keep asking questions, and never stop exploring the wonders of the cosmos.